See, this was the call for the bottom. When I said that we were going to bottom on my Patreon, I mentioned this on November 21st. November 21st, this was the call. See, the market cap was $749 billion. So let's see the chart here. 749 billion is right here at the bottom. See this? 749 billion right at the bottom. We call the bottom. What does this chart say? This looks like the bottom to me. We go up from here. Expect a big pump in a few days. And then I made a video here on the 18th of December, a month later. In November of 2021, and I feel this is the bottom right now where we are, right? That is exactly November of 2022, okay? I'll tell you why I feel this is the bottom. Last time I'll put a link to this video for you so you are able to see this later on. You're able to see this later on. People who are new here, they don't know, okay? What is straight TV, baby? Yeah, we called the bottom for several cryptos, the whole market. Then there is this Bitcoin Cash. If you're a lot of people follow my channel for Bitcoin Cash, we called the Bitcoin Cash bottom here in this video. December 23rd, 2022. Look at this video. And I called the bottom and the next level where we are going to pump. I called the bottom, and after calling the bottom, I mentioned where we were going to pump. Exact price. This is the price that I'm looking for next for Bitcoin Cash. And I do believe that Bitcoin Cash, I think, has formed a nice bottom. We got a double bottom here, right? I don't think we are going any lower. Price was $101. So this is the target that I'm looking at, between 330 to 360. Let's look at the inverted chart for Bitcoin Cash. How is everyone? Man, it's been such a boring time. Look at this freaking boring phase right here. It's so frustrating, but not for long, not for long. So once we stop here, I expect a sharp pullback. This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin Cash. Okay, see what happened. See exactly what happened, as I mentioned here. Look at this chart and look at this chart, Bitcoin Cash chart right here. This was the chart. Look at that. We came exactly to $330 and stopped. 330 exact, and got a pullback. Okay, so predicted the bottom right here at $101. $101 right here at the bottom, and I said we would pump to this level, $330 to $360. We stopped at 330 and would dump. In several other videos, I mentioned how far we're going to dump as well. Okay, so this was the Bitcoin Cash prediction. Just a few days before that, you know, I think I made a prediction for XRP as well. This was on my Twitter. It was my Patreon, everywhere. Okay, I think the XRP prediction is right here. Look. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at XRP. Nothing to pass. So this was XRP. I called the bottom 30 cents. I said it's possible we would come back down. 30 cents right here. I said if we break this trend line right here, you break this, then we go to 30 cents. Create a double bottom. Or if you're going up, then we need to break this arc convincingly and go above, at least above 48.50 cents. The moment we go above 50 cents, this is when XRP bull run starts. Okay, but right now, as the way things are looking, looks like we may come back down to 30 cents. Probably a wick can go down to 29 cents, possibly, but nothing to panic. I think we would stop here. The time to panic would be, but I don't. All right, you know, come very close to this all-time high. That's where we are going. Right here, somewhere close to, I would say between $2.50 to $3. That's where we are going, and some sort of big correction would come. Okay, you got it, right? Let's look at XRP. What happened? What happened at XRP? Here, right here, XRP. This was when I said we would come back to 30 cents, and we did come and kiss 30 cents right here. When I was calling for, we had a little breakdown, and we break down here, and the wick went to 30 cents. But we followed the continuation, right? So let's look at the weekly chart for XRP, and how does it look? In between, I was updating you guys about my projections. So right now, I'm still firm on this number that XRP will make a new all-time high. When I say all-time high, last all-time high in last cycle was somewhere around $1.97. So I think we would make a new all-time high that would go to between I would say $2.70 to $3. $2.70 to $3. That's where XRP is going. You could see a big push up. I would not be surprised if XRP goes up like this. You know, wait some time here and then goes up again to this level before we have a major correction. Major correction corrects right here, comes back down to this level, about $1.37, possibly $1.30 is possible. Okay, but I do expect XRP, a big move for XRP coming up to this level. Okay, to between $2.50 to $3. That's the range for XRP. Next move up, we would have a pit stop, possibly a pit stop at $1.64 in this range, $1.64, $1.70, $1.77. That would be the next pit stop. But I do expect XRP a big move coming. Okay, why? I would say the correction. Let's see. Let me show you what am I expecting from this move. This triangle. See, this triangle ends somewhere in, if you look at precisely, this triangle ends in April. So I would say we have to pump a lot quicker. We have to pump to this level. If we have to dump back down, I think somewhere this triangle in March, April, we find the bottom of this dump. When we go up, we find the dump somewhere in April, May. We bottom out for XRP from this $3 range, $2.50, $3 range. We dump back down to $1.30. That dump will be over in first quarter of 2024. Until then, we go up. We go up to $3. That's what I think. Okay. If we break this channel, if we break this channel, that I don't think that we are going to, then I would see, you know, things different. But I don't think we are going to break this channel. I think convincingly we will pop the next pop up, and the next stop would be somewhere here for XRP, right here, right above this stop. I think we would convincingly go up, break this, and go up to this level, to $1, possibly $1.11, and hang around a little bit before moving up. Okay, so that's how I see XRP. You know, the final numbers are on my Patreon where I see XRP. The final numbers are there. I don't want to disclose everything.